Although the chief guest of the conference is Honorable VC Ma'am, but due to some busy schedule, still she is not here. So, respected chief guest Honorable VC Ma'am, Professor Anpuna Notial Ma'am, a special guest Professor Anita Rawat, Dean School of Sciences Professor R.C. Dimri, keynote speakers Dr. K.S. Bartwal sir, Raja Ramanna Center for Advanced Technology, Indore, Professor Siv Krishna Ghoshal, UTI Physics Department, Malaysia, Professor Mahavir Singh, Department of Physics, Himachal Pradesh University, Professor L.P. Prohit sir, who is over one of the keynote speaker, but due to feeling unwell due to a health issue, he is not here. And invited speakers, Dr. Subhash Negi, University of Pisa, Italy, Dr. Bhagwati Joshi, University of California, USA, Dr. Deepak Joshi, IIT Delhi, Dr. Gunjan Prohit, DAV PG College, Dehradun, Dr. Ajay Semalti, HNB Gadwal University, Dr. S.S. Sahani, Principal, Government Degree College, Maldevta, convener of the conference, Dr. Suresh Notial, deans and heads of the departments, faculty, delegates, participants, dignitaries of the university, registrar, finance officer, all teaching staff, research scholars, supporting technical staff, students, media persons, ladies and gentlemen. On the behalf of organizing committee, I would like to express my gratitude and welcome to all of you in the inaugural session of International E-Conference on Recent Advances in Material Science, organized by the Department of Physics, HNP Gadwal University, Srinagar Gadwal, and Government Degree College, Maldevta, Dehradun, in collaboration with Uttarakhand Science Education and Research Center, USER, Dehradun, on 15 and 17 May 2021 through online mode, Google Meet. Initially, the conference is proposed through offline mode at Government Degree College, Maldevta, Raipur, Dehradun. But due to the continuous corona crisis and for the safety parameters, the whole conference is turned into from offline mode to online mode through Google Meet. And the conference has been organized with a view to come across the latest developments in the research activities in the field of material science, both in the national and international arena. As all of us, we are aware that there has been enough focus on the development of structural materials in the recent past, and these materials have played important role in advancement of science and technology. Apart from the other conferences in the department, previously we successfully organized two conferences, one in 2013 and second in 2019 on material science in the Department of Physics at Srinagar campus, and published the presented conference papers in CSIR Journal and ISBN book. In the present online conference, we also try and have commitment to publish the presented research papers in the UGC listed journal. The motive of this conference on material science is because the department is actively engaged in research on material science since the last 3 decades, and extensive research work has been carried out in the past, and the work is still continuing in the field of ferritic materials, both theoretically and experimentally. More than 400 research papers have been published by various researchers during last 40 years since the beginning of the research activities in the department. The E-Conference is a meeting of professionals from science institutes, universities, and industry which are active in the field of metallic, inorganic, polymer materials, vacuum techniques, nanomaterials, with purpose to achieve correlation between basic and applied science with high added values. And the E-Conference is to coverage various ideas of distinguished personalities as well as budding researchers and students in the field of applied physics and material science, and thereby creating a platform for synergy of new ideas. This conference will also be useful for MSc students, pre-PhD, research scholars of for online interaction and discussion with the scientists working in this advanced field of research and development. Hence, it exposes and stimulates the students towards basic scientific area to opt research and development as their career. And this e-conference will provide opportunity for the participant to exchange their novel ideas and experiences with an expert during plenary and invited talks, oral presentations through online interactions. We will also set up online sessions with keynote forum, panel discussion, etc. for a fruitful outcome of the conference. On the behalf of organizing committee, I express my sincere gratitude to the keynote speakers, invited speakers, participants, research scholars, students who joined the online link to make the conference successful. We also express our gratitude to the chief guest of the conference, Honorable Vice Chancellor Ma'am, Professor Annapurna Nautiyal, who is always inspiring the entire university fraternity for the creative works. Dr. K.S. Barthwal from Raja Ramanna Center for Advanced Technology, who is responsible for all the 3 conferences which was previously organized in the Department of Physics, Srinagar, since last decade. A special guest, Director User, Professor Anita Rawat, ma'am, my friend, scientist, Dr. O.P. Nautiyal, we, the physics personals, having a special connection with the user, always providing the financial assistance whenever we require, even though very short notice. Professor R.C. Dimri, Dean School of Sciences, Professor S.C. Bhatt sir, coordinator of the conference, my mentor, my teacher, for his continuous, unconditional, valuable guidance and direction for always moving in positive direction. Professor P.D. Semalty sir, Professor T.C. Upadhyay sir, Professor R.C. Ramola sir, Professor Borai sir, Professor Arun Rawat sir, Professor Suresh Kerala sir, and all the teachers in the department and all the teachers for his moral and ethical support, administration and authority of the university for all type of technical support to organize this important online international event. Finally, I once again welcome all the guests, distinguished delegates, and participants of the e-conference and wish the output of the conference will be fruitful and comfortable in the tough time of the corona period. Thank you all of the guests, participants, Students, thank you. Thank you